Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, early morning, and I'm trying to put this work in before this rainstorm hits. But before I go any further, please go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I got tomato plants, dragon fruit, sweet potato vines all wrapped up into one. So now I have to come in here, clean this all out, get it out the way so that I can put these new trellises in. All right, guys, come with me as I go through this adventure of sharing everything down and getting it up out of here. This is a part of not maintaining the garden due to, situations and travels and things of that nature. So now I have this work on my hand that I have to knock out, trying to get everything done before the next rainstorm come in, because I know I won't be able to get back here and do the work in the rain. You know how it is. So take a look at this, guys. Dragon fruit. That's what I'm going to be putting into the new trellises. I have tomatoes right here with a whole bunch of flowers on it, and I have sweet potato vines growing in the back of that. So I have a bunch of I have some tomatoes from Pixie in the back, and I'm going to try to save those. But these are yellow pear tomatoes. These yellow pear tomatoes I have growing all over the garden wild already. So I'm gonna get rid of those. Even though it has a lot of flowers, it does have tomatoes on it. It does have tomatoes on it, but I have a plant on the other side that it's literally the same thing going on. So, all right, guys, let me get into this work and I'll see you when it's done. All right, peace. So I got the area cleared out. Let me let you see what that looks like. I relocated some stuff in the garden, and that's it. So now I'm gonna get ready to put these new trellises up, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. That's gonna be another video. Just too much work going on. All right, so you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.